We are asked all the time at Faber-Castell, what is a gelato? So a gelato is actually a mixture of pigment, wax, and oil, and it gives a really creamy, soft texture to the product, and you can see there's a lot of color with that. Gelatos can be blended just with a fingertip, so you can just smear and smudge them, and you can see that you can then move that color around just by using your finger. You can also blend them with water. They are water soluble. So by using just a wet brush, you can go over your gelato and you will have a really rich, vibrant watercolor. Because gelatos are so soft, it's very easy to blend two colors together. So again, you can blend them either dry using just your fingertip like this, and you can see that it's very easy to blend those. Or again, you can apply some water and blend the colors that way as well to get a really nice, rich watercolor. You can use gelatos on paper. We recommend watercolor paper, especially if you're going to use them as a wet medium. You can use them on a dark surface like black paper, wood, canvas, unglazed ceramic with a rough texture. Really, there's lots of different ways that you can use them. You can mix them with different mediums like a gel medium or a glaze medium, or even like a little bit of opaque white paint or gesso, and to make them more like an acrylic paint, and that you can then tint to whatever color you want. There's about 80 different gelatos colors, and they are available in opaque colors, translucence, iridescence, and metallics.